Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM radio out of a 1976 Chevy Monte Carlo. It is now an AM/FM radio with a heck of a lot more output power because the customer went with a new harness in place of the original connectors, and this comes from Jason in Prescott, Michigan. And Jason has requested the FM conversion with Bluetooth and this my super cool little master input output box, which has your 4-channel preamp outputs and unpowered sub output, and that's going to be your aux input. And this box is in case you want to get even more output power by using an external amplifier. You can feed your preamp level signals from this box into that external amplifier. So let's go ahead and test this unit. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I receive at my area, so we can demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions without getting nailed for stealing somebody's music. So here we go, AM radio.
Independent from those aches and pains.
Okay, we'll need our output level meters for this.
But also neck and back spinal.
Okay, so first I'm going to activate the virtual front rear fader. Now this is all done using the tone control, the outer knob here, and to activate the virtual front rear fader, we start from the center position and give this control 2 quick turns to the right, returning it to the center position each time. And then once you hear the lady say fader adjust, you can go ahead and adjust this knob for your desired speaker balance between front and rear. Now to activate the left-right balance control, same procedure, except we turn the tone control twice to the left from the center position. So let's go ahead and activate the front rear fader.
8633. That's 928-484.
Fader adjust.
Okay. All the way front,
Of the quad
rear,
11:30 a.m.
front,
Q&A,
rear,
Preston Valley.
okay.
And on 99.9 FM, K260B.
Fader set. Okay, left-right balance.
Balance adjust.
Okay.
Hill Country
Left,
heavy construction
right,
equipment and
left,
kidnapped dogs
right,
for the monumental
right.
search of debris piles with a new count of missing.
Balance set.
Okay,
After
let's
a wall
make
of
sure the
owners
Bluetooth
collected
goes into
bodies
pairing
of
mode. We don't
over
need this stuff
111
anymore.
people,
Bluetooth pairing.
27 at Camp Mystic.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard
Emergency
that.
plan.
Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, which on this radio we do by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. And I have all 5 station presets set to stations my area for a quick test of the FM function. So here we go. We're on AM right now. Okay, off on. Now we're on FM.
Efforts to deport probe house 16 to 17 were allowed to purchase. Will agree to a truce.
Drifted a little bit.
Says this.
There we go. Okay, let's make sure the dial light goes on and off. And as you can see it reflecting off my hand there, it goes on and off in response to my pressing and releasing the button. So she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to do the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And please download and print the work order off the home page of that website before calling me with a bunch of questions about what all do you do and how much does it cost, because that's all in the work order. And it'll save us both about 15 minutes on the phone, which keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done. I don't get any work done on the phone, guys, so I do ask you to do that research before calling me. After that, I'm perfectly happy to talk to you. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Jason, for your business from Prescott, Michigan, and we'll see you guys next time.